My name is Gabriella and I love Sylvanians. Today I will be unboxing the baby castle nursery and it costs $90. So let's get ahead and jump into it and let's get unboxing. First I'm going to show you where it comes with, pictures and stuff. Let's get opening. So, wow, so cute. Okay, here's the first thing. Oh, we've got some baby stickers. That's so cute. Just paper stuff. Some things in there. And the castle! Yay! Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so let's open this box now. Thanks for the scissors. Box. Okay, here's the slide. Here's the railings and flags. Here's the swing and the baby piano. Okay. Butterflies, flowers, ducks, and balloons, and I don't know. And then here I've set some books in, and we've got a rainbow one and a flower one. It looks so cute. But before we get in the video, help me subscribe. And then I also decided to put some little stickers on and some piano and some stickers behind here in the little corner. And I checked in the box and it comes with a storybook. Cute. And the flags and stuff. And we'll just turn around. And this is cute. A welcome sign that I love. So cute. And I really like how they put some music on. You can also change however you like what